guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make spicy chicken or spicy chicken breast. So stick around and watch this video. If you aren't already subscribed, please subscribe, like, share, and please leave a comment down below. Stay tuned. First, I'm going to start by, I already washed my chicken breast with vinegar and lime. First, I'm going to start by cutting them up into bits. Now I'm going to go ahead and season the chicken. I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of garlic powder. Yes, I like to use lots of garlic powder. I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of ground pepper, black pepper. And I'm just gonna rub this in. Now I'm gonna add 1 egg to the chicken. I'm just gonna rub in the egg in. Now I'm just going to put this aside to marinate for about 20 minutes to half an hour. In a bowl, I'm going to go ahead and add 2 cups of breadcrumbs. I'm going to go ahead and heat up the oil and change it on 50 degrees. And now I'm just going to coat the chicken breast into some breadcrumbs. So chicken breast nicely coated. Now I'm going to go ahead and add the chicken breast to the heated oil. Oh, I hear that. And I'm gonna cook them for 3 minutes on that one side and 3 minutes on the other side. So I'm gonna fry this chicken breast for 6 minutes. And I'm not gonna crowd the pot, I'm just gonna fry them in batch. 3 first and then fry them in batch. See, they're golden brown now. Now you want to go ahead and take them out. Nice and crispy. Look at this. And now I'm just going to put them on my rack. A very nice color. Look at this. Oh my God. Smelling so nice. You'd have thought it was KFC in here. So I'm going to go ahead and put the second batch in. And I'm just going to repeat this process until all the chickens are fried. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add the last batch. See, they're getting very crispy and golden brown, so now I'm gonna go ahead and take them out because you don't want them to burn. And we're just gonna go ahead and turn off the heat. Look at the chicken, they're smelling so nice, tender and crispy. Look at them. So now I'm gonna go ahead and make the spicy hot sauce. Gonna make the sauce. In a small saucepan, you're gonna go ahead and add 1/4 cup of hot sauce. And I'm also gonna add 1 cup of honey. And I'm using this hot sauce. Everybody's supposed to know this hot sauce. I'm using Red Hot hot sauce, Frank. And I'm gonna turn the heat on and medium. And I'm just gonna whisk this, everything come together. And let it simmer for about 2 minutes. Sauce is finished, and now I'm going to turn off the heat. What I have here is some cucumber and some goat cheese. You can go ahead and eat it with whatever you want to eat it with. But I'm going to eat it with some cucumber and goat cheese. Look at this chicken, so beautiful. Nice color, nice flavor, smelling so nice. Look at that. So pretty, looking gorgeous, and I sure do know that it's gonna taste even better. Thanks for watching, guys. Like, share, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe and share. This is the finished product, smelling nice and juicy, and look at these. They're crispy and tender. Look at that. Oh my god. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do a taste test. Yummy. Delicious. You can go ahead and also eat this with whatever you want to eat this. Crispy and tender. This is, look at it, crunchy and nice. Look at this. Beautiful color, beautiful flavor. Thanks for watching. Bye.